how you guys already tell, I did my eyebrow. Now we're gonna go straight to work. I'm gonna start my concealer, my MAC Pro concealer. Rub it all over my eyelid. I'm kind of sick. That's why I sound like that. I sound blah. I hate being sick. Okay, we're gonna start. Use a Morphe as our baseline, and I'm gonna use like a brush of concealer corrector, and I'm gonna use my lightest color. It's kind of like whitish purple. That's why I like to use this one. And we're gonna go ahead with the blue for my Morphe palette. We're gonna tap that very, very slowly. Damn it, I forgot the palette. Is it Anastasia? Oh, that's Urban Decay. I'm using my Urban Decay. This one, I don't really know the name, but I will put it in the description box. And I'm using my glitter glue. And as you can tell, I will put my glitter. Now I'm putting my primer on my face. I'm using my Fenty Beauty. What's up, Riri? I've been blending my foundation with brush lately. I don't know why, but I've been back at it. I think it's because I'm too lazy to wash my sponge. And I'm gonna conceal my face, my under eye, my forehead, my nose with my MAC Pro concealer. And it was a little darker, so I'm gonna use my NYX, go over with my NYX concealer. I want like this little highlight under my eyes, and I did not see that. I was like, I want more highlight. More highlight. So I'm a little extra because I gotta put a little extra spice, like a little extra Maggi to it. And we're gonna blend everything in. Now we're gonna use a setting powder. You guys know what I use, my Sasha. You guys know I love me some Sasha. And I'm going to use the same blues with my under eye. And I'm going to use my flipper brush to take all that powder off after everything is set. And I'm going to use that palette so I can contour my face to get some color going. Now I'm gonna skip to my lips. I'm gonna use my brown pencil, Italian lip pencil. Shape my face. I said my face, my lips. And I went back to highlighting my face. I don't know why. And now I'm back to the lips. Oh, by the way, I'm using my LA nude lipstick.
You're the one I want to. Before my liver starts to fail, you're the one I need.